Hello guys, use my phone Ulefone Note 11P, this version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory in the green color. Okay, look completion. In completion we have key for SIM slot, instructions, protected back cover, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, good completion. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, quad camera, double LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, 6.5-inch display. On this side, power key and long case. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside, headphones jack. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay. Open settings. Look Android version, Android 11. Okay, close this. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. MediaTek Helio P60. This octa-core processor, CPU speed 2 GHz. GPU Mali G72. Resolution and display PPA. Look results. CPU test results. Single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, we doesn't have results. Open Antutu benchmark. Look into the benchmark score. And the benchmark score, okay. Multi-touch test, 5 touches, support display, and run the money game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Resume. Works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this and open camera. Talk about camera, I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.